So now we're going to have a look at the minimum and the maximum age. So to do that, I'm going to type equals again, and I'm going to type min for minimum, and you'll see there's a function called min. I click on that function and it opens up the two brackets, and again I'm going to click from the top of my data through to the bottom of my data and hit enter, and I'm going to do the same for the maximum. Equals max, click on that function, and I'm going to click the top of my data and through to the bottom of my data and hit enter. Now it's a little bit delayed. I think the delay is because of the me running this recording at the same time, but believe me, your maximum age will be shown there, and hopefully that it will catch up in a moment. The last thing we need to fill in before we start working on our frequency table is the interval that we want to use. Now, I have created some formulas in here already, and that's why this -1 is showing all the way down, so that when we type in the interval, we're going to be able to actually have all of that calculated for us. So that's very nice, and if you're interested, you can ask your teacher, or I can show you how you actually make that happen. But for now, I'm going to type in 5 for a 5-year interval, and you'll see when I type in the 5, all of the intervals come up automatically, so that's pretty handy. If I were going to use a 10-year interval, I could type in 10 and press enter, and you'll see the 10-year intervals come up. Now you'll notice, because Excel is pretty dumb, it doesn't actually think for itself. You'll see that the interval goes all the way through to 170 to 179, and I'm pretty sure that nobody at your party is going to be 179 years old. So if you choose to use a 10-year interval, you're going to have to either ignore, or you can delete these section of the table and just use the table from here to here. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to go through how to actually get Excel to create that frequency table. See you then.